Introducing the all-new 2025 Renegade Verona. This elegant motorhome is designed to elevate your traveling experience with its refined craftsmanship and cutting-edge features. The Renegade Verona combines power, comfort, and convenience, ensuring every journey is a luxurious adventure. The 2025 Renegade Verona boasts several exciting updates that enhance both style and functionality. Enjoy the beauty and practicality of updated hardwood dovetail drawer boxes and new nightstand cabinets with solid surface tops. The updated grouted backsplash tile design adds a modern touch, while a 2-inch wider entry door offers easier access. Larger sofa and dinette windows, expanded from 48 inches to 54 inches, provide a more open and airy feel to your living space. Built on the robust Freightliner M2 106 chassis, the Renegade Verona delivers exceptional power and performance with its 360 horsepower engine and 1,150 pound-feet of torque. The upgraded polished Alcoa rims add a touch of sophistication, while the auto-drain valves for the air brake reservoirs ensure maintenance is hassle-free. With a 20,000-pound towing capacity, this motorhome is ready to handle any adventure you embark on. The Verona's exterior is both stylish and functional, featuring 6 stunning colorway paint options. The Girard GG750 single-stage lateral arm awning provides shade and protection, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors comfortably. Climate control is top-notch, with 2 15,000 BTU roof AC units, and the AquaHot 250D hydronic heating system ensures comfort in any weather. The AquaHot heating system also provides reliable hot water on demand. The multiplex control system with Bluetooth app control adds modern convenience. The Verona's water systems are designed for efficiency and convenience. With a 150-gallon fresh water tank, 75-gallon gray tank, and 75-gallon black tank, you're well equipped for extended trips, while the full maintenance wet bay with a powered retractable water hose makes upkeep easy. Power is reliably provided by the 8-kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator, standard 330 amp-hour AGM house battery with an option to upgrade to 300 amp-hour lithium batteries, and the optional 600-watt solar charging system. This setup ensures you have the power you need for a comfortable journey. Step inside the Renegade Verona to discover a blend of luxury and practicality. Choose from 3 interior decor options, each designed to create a welcoming and stylish atmosphere. The cab-over bunk features a forward-facing window with a power shade, accent lighting, storage with an outlet, and a 24-inch TV, making it a cozy retreat. The solid maple hardwood cabinetry, available in 2 wood stain options, is complemented by updated hardwood dovetail drawer boxes. High-grade luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the motorhome ensures durability and ease of maintenance. For added comfort, the Verona offers multiple furniture configurations, including the standard booth dinette with sofa sleeper or optional power theater seating. The bathroom in the Renegade Verona combines style and functionality. It features a fiberglass shower with sliding glass doors, providing a sleek and modern look. The solid surface vanity with satin nickel faucets and ample storage ensures convenience and luxury in your private space. The Renegade Verona's kitchen appliances are designed to make meal preparation a breeze. The 18 cubic foot French door refrigerator keeps your groceries fresh, while the recessed 2-burner induction cooktop and 1.7 cubic foot convection microwave allow you to cook with ease. These high-end appliances ensure that you can enjoy home-cooked meals no matter where your travels take you. Entertainment is at the forefront of the Renegade Verona's design. The living area features a 43-inch 4K LED smart TV, perfect for relaxing with your favorite shows. The bedroom features a 32-inch LED TV for your added convenience, and as we work our way outside, the exterior entertainment center includes a 32-inch 4K LED TV and a soundbar with Bluetooth streaming, making it easy to enjoy outdoor entertainment. The Winegard Connect 2.0 system ensures you stay connected with Wi-Fi, over-the-air TV antenna, and 4G data capability. The 2025 Renegade Verona is a testament to luxury, power, and innovation in Class C motorhomes. Every feature has been thoughtfully designed to provide the ultimate traveling experience, ensuring your journey is as enjoyable as your destination. Choose luxury. Choose adventure. Choose Renegade RV. Designed for life. Designed for your convenience.